today we're with BridgeBuilders and we're making bags for the kids from 3rd to 5th grade.
So we serve 2 neighborhoods specifically in South Dallas, the neighborhood of Bonton and Ideal. So one of the things that people don't always understand about neighborhoods like South Dallas is just our access to grocery stores. So the closest grocery store, which for us is maybe a 15 to 18-minute car ride, our neighbors have 35% access to reliable transportation. So it is an hour and a half by DART bus. So just for a parent to take their kid to a neighborhood Walmart to get school supplies would be about a 3-hour round trip without the shopping. Bringing access to a resource that isn't available is incredibly important for our neighbors. It's what we try to do with all of our services.
Part of the Avondale spirit is giving back to the community. I love working for companies that give back to the communities any way possible. We don't just help each other, but we help the community as well.
I like to volunteer because me as a single mom, I would love for my kids to enjoy something like this. Portia's doing a very exciting thing for these kids, and especially the ones that maybe are not as fortunate to receive all this stuff.
So you didn't just write a check. You didn't just come down and say, we like what you're doing, but we want you to keep doing it. And so to see your team contributing with time, with resources, with money, coming out and volunteering, being in the neighborhood, thank you. Thank you for being a good neighbor in Dallas. Thank you for being a good person. But thank you for taking time out of your schedule to care for people that weren't in your proximate space. And so to do this year over year, to participate with us outside of just this programming is incredible, and we're incredibly thankful for it.